Hi everyone! In this video, I will show you how to lock a sheet in Google Sheets. To do this, right-click on the Sheet tab at the bottom, for example, Sheet 1, and select Protect Sheet. A panel will open on the right. You can rename the protected range, then check or uncheck specific options. Make sure Set Permissions is clicked. A pop-up will appear. From there, choose who can edit the sheet, either only you or selected people. By default, it will be limited to only you. To share permission with others, click the drop-down and select Custom. Then, type in emails in the field under Add Editors. Click Done to apply the lock. Other users will now be restricted based on the permissions you've set. So, that is how you lock a sheet in Google Sheets. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching.